This video introduces how to avoid IP address conflicts between new and existing clients after gateway replacement. In scenarios such as small hospitals, budget hotels, and apartments, hundreds of clients with static IP addresses are typically deployed, including IP cameras and IP phones. Do you still worry about IP address conflicts between new and existing clients when the gateway is replaced? Such conflicts may cause IPCs to go offline and IP phones to stop working. However, with a Reyee router, you can bind IP addresses of existing clients in just a few steps, preventing IP conflicts with new clients. The configuration procedure is as follows. 1. Configure a VLAN for the clients on the Reyee router and disable the dynamic host configuration protocol feature. 2. Replace the existing gateway with a Reyee router. 3. Bind IP addresses of existing clients through IP management. 4. Enable DHCP for the VLAN and connect new clients to the network. First, maintain existing service connections and connect the Reyee router to Ruijie cloud. After entering a project, choose Network-wide Network. Click Add and select Add Wired VLANs from the drop-down list to create a VLAN. Set VLAN parameters. 1. Set service description to a VLAN name, such as camera. 2. Assign a VLAN ID to the IPCs and other clients. 3. Set default gateway to an IP range based on the number of clients, such as IPCs on the network. 4. Toggle off DHCP pool. 5. Set assign IP from to the device assigning IP addresses. Click Next. If new Reyee switches exist on the topology, select ports connected to the clients based on service planning and click Next. After confirming VLAN parameters, click Apply. Replace the existing gateway with a Reyee router. Return to Ruijie Cloud, choose Clients from the navigation pane, and wait for all the existing clients to be identified and on board. Choose Network-wide IP Management and click Enable to access the configuration page. Select the VLAN to which the clients belong, and click OK. Click More and select Bind All from the drop-down list to bind the IP addresses of all onboard clients. After binding IP addresses, choose Devices from the navigation pane, and click the router's SN to go to the Device Details page. Choose Configuration, VLAN and toggle on DHCP pool range for the VLAN. This allows new clients to obtain IP addresses via DHCP without conflicting with existing clients. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Reyee official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.